Alright guys, we're back with a retail discount rookie random pack hunt video. Yeah. So we got a 2017 regular Donruss, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, Donruss. And then we got two 2017 Optic. Last time we opened 2017 Optic, we got this guy. So maybe we can get a lime green one to go with him. And then we got two of these just because they had them. I don't really know if we'll get anything good, but they're 2016 Prism draft picks. So we'll start out with these. We won't try and drag this video out very long because just Alright, so it looks like you get 3-pack and then I believe red, white, and blue. So we've got Andy Dalton, Von Miller, Daniel Braverman, and Jeremy Cash. So nothing too great first pack. Alright, we got Steve Smith Jr. Got a cool die cut Richard Sherman Prism Silver. Yeah, not numbered or anything, just cool little die cut. We'll put him down there, keep him in the video. Yeah, we already seen that one. Kenyon Drake and Vernon Butler, rookies. Yeah, we'll put them here. Put the rookies there. And the inserts, special stuff right there. Bam. You can't really see what I'm talking about, but I'll let you know. Phillip Rivers. Melvin Gordon. Rookies are going to be Leonte Carew and Cody Kessler. So that wasn't too cool. These were clearance for $8.98. I paid a little over $9 for these. We got Paxton Lynch, rookie, I guess just blue prisms. Kelvin Taylor and Amari Cooper. Those are kind of cool. Blue prisms. Alright, get this other one out of the way. We'll get to the more exciting stuff. We'll save the Optic for last. Teddy Bridgewater, Randall Cobb, rookies, Trayvon Boykin, and Laramie Tunsil. So I haven't really seen any big names that I know. You guys might. Well, I mean, I know some of these guys, but... So we got a Jimmy Graham Prism, silver, not numbered. And we got Jarrell Adams and DeForest Buckner. So we'll put these over here. We'll put Amari. Barca. Alright, Blues. Kelvin Taylor, Florida. Control Brothers. And Jamal Charles. So yeah, those were pretty uneventful. Oh, and I totally skipped the third pack. We'll go back in time. Check this out. Mark Ingram, LaShawn McCoy, Brandon Allen, rookie, and Sheldon Rankins. So we didn't really miss anything. I probably could have not opened that pack and you wouldn't have known the difference. Alright, that's what we got left. Let's get into the more exciting. Well, I mean, the Donruss isn't too exciting, but if I get a Patrick Mahomes for $4, it's alright with me. Go through the base pretty quick. Mohamed Sanu, Johnny Unitas, Joe Namath, Alan Hearns, Aaron Donald. All right, here we go. So we got Adrian Peterson blue, Tom Savage blue press proof, Alec Ogletree blue, and our rookie is Isaiah Ford. Womp womp. Then we got Dick Vitale, fans of the game. Chris Godwin, rated rookie. Tariq Cohen, that's cool. PC. And Alvin Kamara, rated rookie. It's not bad on the Alvin Kamara. And the Tariq Cohen, because I collect Chicago Bears, my team. Alright, let's get into something exciting. Maybe exciting. Sometimes these packs are lame. Especially if you don't get a green, which doesn't look like we did. Carson Wentz, Drew Brees, Greg Olsen, Tajay Sharp, Cam Newton, Kirk Cousins, Robbie Anderson, got a little stickage, Michael Thomas, Mike Evans, Tyrod Taylor, AJ Green, and Brian Hoyer. So that's a perfect example of why you don't really want to buy these if you have the option to get other versions, because sometimes you just get 12 base cards for $9. Not a good deal. All right, we do got a green rated rookie, so that is good. We'll save that till the end. Oh god, I might have just I don't think I saw it. I was trying to get rid of this guy and I forgot that anyway, Mike Evans, Tyrod Taylor, AJ Green, Brian Hoyer, DeAndre Hopkins. We got a guy sticking to him, and it'll be Adrian Peterson, Jai, said that kind of backwards. Jarrell Freeman for the Bears. And he's got a guy stuck to him, Carson Wentz. And we got Drew Brees. And behind Drew, we got our green, lime green. It's not going to be that guy. Hair kind of looks the same in these pictures, but that's not him. That is Carlos Henderson, rated rookie green. And Drew Brees had a partner too. His name was Greg Olsen. So Greg and Drew shacked up during the off season. Alright, so there you go, guys. It wasn't too exciting. Here's our rookie pile. We got the Alvin Kamara, Chris Godwin. Yeah, Isaiah. Here's all of our stuff out of those Prism draft picks. Nothing real big. You can see why those were still around in the clearance bin, because I bought them. They were meant for me to waste my money on. Here's our inserts. We got a Richard Sherman, little kind of football looking die cut. Cool. We got Jimmy Graham Prism. And then we did get a lime green, which is pretty rare, but we got Carlos Henderson. So that's not good. Couple Bears cards for the PC. I mean, we got some stars and stuff, obviously. We got Drew Brees. We got a whole bunch of other base optic. Oh, bunch of base. Then all of these, I mean, the blue prisms, they're cool, but I don't know. If you want them, let me know. We can work out a deal to where you basically pay me postage and I'll send them to you. So yeah. Till next time, I think we got some more baseball coming up. So sorry, football guys, but football's kind of dead right now, retail-wise. I mean, I can pick up old optic and prism, but it's kind of outdated now. And, well, in the card world, it's outdated. It's over 3-4 months old, so nobody really cares about it anymore. Until the guys that are in there start doing really good. But no, I'm just babbling. So yeah, until then, like, comment, subscribe, and peace.